I'm gonna pack my bag and I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna take you with me. Oh. Yeah, that won't be going. Well, let's see what else is in here. Okay. I want to take this dress right here for I can shoot some content. This Tabitha Brown bathing suit. I want to shoot some content in this too. I recently picked up Skims, these two pieces, and I want to shoot some content for that. Trend alert, liquidy material is the trend. That's going in there. These Steve Madden boots to go with the Skims outfit. I'm gonna wear this. Bag for the shoot. Sunglasses for the shoot. I need one more pair of glasses. Fendi shades. I think I'll wear my Chanel slides with the black bathing suit. And I think that's it. I need to pack my makeup bag, and I think that's it. Okay, so I am looking for my room. Okay, so other way. $17.94. Look at that. I love all this. Oh, I would love to have this. Well, not this exact mirror, but you know, something like that. Okay, that's $17.97. Oh Jesus. I think that is my room. I don't know. Shit. Okay, so yeah, that's my room. I'm not sure why I have a double door, and I have this key. On this side, it's $17.99. On this side, it's $17.98. But that side doesn't have a key. Oh. Oh, that was easy. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm so confused. Come on, you guys. Okay, so let's go into my room. Sorry. So I just got into my room. This is like a foyer. So that's my room. And then I don't know whose room that is. I don't know what's going on. I really don't. So we come in, and then I think I go this way. Yeah. I was that cute or what? Oh, okay. Okay, you turn red. Turn red again. Turn green. And then it turned red.
Hello, how you doing?
Hi, how do you get in?
You don't know how to get in?
Oh, but
I just got your luggage. I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. I don't know how to get. This is my room, right?
It is correct, yeah. Since it's on the left side, it's because they have a weird thing. Like this one, you insert it, you turn right. This one, you turn left.
Okay.
Try that one more time.
Turn left.
There you go.
Oh, okay. 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 Can you?
Yeah, I'm
Okay, I got it.
There
okay.
you go.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry for just the weight on the luggage.
Oh no, I just arrived. But let me give you a room tour. When you walk in, this is what you see. Right there. There is a chair. Hello. A chair right here. And then we have a TV. That's my little bit of smart water left. This is what the key looks like. Desk and chair and telephone and lamp. And then that is my view. And then we have another little chair, water, the lamp, the bed, I think it's king size. And then we have this door. I don't know what this door goes to. I'm so confused. I just want to lay down. Mirror, check the fit. Hey, okay, and then you go into the bathroom, and this is what the vanity looks like in the bathroom. I love all this gold, the countertop, and the mirror. You have your little robes. I put my stuff up already, my curling iron, Steve Madden. I'm gonna do an unboxing. Then here's my suitcase. And here's a toilet. And then here is the shower. Nice size shower. And then it also has the tub. The items, if you can tell, there's a gold theme to this hotel. And then here is the shampoo, the conditioner, and the shower gel. And this is the toilet paper roll in the shower. Scare me. Or you could just pretend that it's like a towel rack. Yeah, a little washcloth rack. Steve Madden unboxing. Tissue paper with Steve Madden written all over. That is sexy. Yeah. Neat thrill. Neat thrill.
The destination is on your left. Cosina 35.
Welcome to a day in my life. So yeah, third time that I worn them and they're scratched. But hello. Hi, and if I have not said it, my name is Carmen. Return to the fashion lifestyle. Today we're doing a lifestyle with a day in my life. So I am here in Chino 35 in San Diego. I am obsessed with chili and I found the place thanks to my friend, who is now my friend, who sat at the Westgate Hotel. It's just me, party over. Check it out when my food comes. I didn't get any coffee because usually I have, it's coming down.
Your plate's here.
Thank you.
Anything else?
Not right now.
Okay, enjoy.
Okay, thank you. Hello. Let me move this over here. Here, let me show you. Where's my silverware? All I need is some drink stronger than that to pour in that. Because I can't see. Alright, so I'm going to dig in. I cannot believe that my glasses was scratched. That happened at graduation. Look at that. Right there. Right? Oh, I am. Oh. Totally come to this place on 6th Street in San Diego. If you're in the area or if you're visiting, it's good. Okay. Check in with you later. So we are headed back to right, so you know who this is for. This is for Onyx. He might, or you might have a dog, need to get something for Halloween. Well, at Home Goods, they have it all for you right now. Yeah, all the little toys. Candy corn. Ah! It doesn't make noise. And a donut. They don't make noise. I need something that makes noise. I need something that makes noise. All of that. He would like that. Okay. So that is for Onyx or anyone that has a pet and you are in need of a new toy for Halloween. Oh, I love me some bags. Oh my goodness, look at that. I might have to get that one. This one right here is so cute. $2.49. That's cute. I've got somebody on my behind, so I cannot move.